Hello again. Someone asked me last week, they'd seen that I've got new clutch and brake levers on the Monkey, and they asked me where did I get them from and are they easy to fit? And I fitted them at the time and I thought, everyone knows how to fit these, they're easy to fit, but actually not everybody does know. So we're going to rectify that now. So if you pop onto any of the cheap, nasty Chinese import channels, AliExpress was the particular one of choice for me, and I picked up these shiny levers. So they're adjustable, and the whole idea of this for me was to try and sort out the clutch bite point on the Monkey, which I don't like. Now, in truth is, I fitted these and it's not that much better, but they look shiny. But I'll show you how to fit them. It's an absolute doddle, really, really easy. So if you already know how to fit levers onto a motorbike, you'll know it's not very difficult, and this video's probably not for you. But not everybody does, so if you want to know how to fit them, you're in the right place. So, what do we need? A couple of levers. On the Honda Monkey, you're going to need a 10mm spanner and/or ratchet and a flat-bladed screwdriver. That's it. It won't take very long. Can I also just say that I am not a self-promoting narcissist. This is my mates that buy me all this garbage. I've got t-shirts, key rings, business cards, stickers, you name it. Every birthday or Christmas, something else turns up at the house. Okay, we'll start with the easiest side, which is the brake lever. 10mm spanner and a socket if you want to make it quicker. 10mm nut and bolt goes right through the lever, right on the top of it. It's the only one there. Just undo it. Nut off, place it on the Ducati workbench. Wind the bolt all the way out, lift it out, and pull the lever off. Simple as that. Take your replacement lever, slide it back in the slot. Nip it up, not too tight. Job done. Okay, we'll move over to the clutch lever. Slightly more difficult, but not difficult at all. Okay, so remove the shroud off the cable so you can see the cable, and then what you want to do is line up the slots on the cable. If these are tight, you might just need a pair of pliers or a little pair of mole grips just to back them off a little bit so that you can freely rotate them like this. So line up the slots so that the slot runs right down the lever now, and we can get the cable out when we need to. In fact, we'll do that now. Okay, so once the slots are lined up along the front of the lever, you just want to pull that cable out and pull it forward. Now, a little tip for you, if you pull the lever and let go, it will already have the tension removed from it, so it will slide out easier. And that's it. We'll pull it round to the front, then underneath it will just slide out. And then it's the same process as the other side. There's a 10mm nut underneath, and it's a flat-bladed screw on top of this one. Nut off. Pull the screw all the way out, and that's your lever off. Same again. Okay, so putting the cable back on, it's the same way as you took it off. So line it up underneath, line your adjuster back up, and then again, you want some tension to pull that right round. Again, quick tip, just rest it on the side, pull the clutch in, and it'll flick back round. And then you want to adjust that clutch accordingly. For me, because I want the biting point as close to the bar as I want, as I can, I'm going to wind that all the way in. Just nip it up. Replace your boot, and that's you. Simples. They're quite cool little levers, and they're adjustable. So all that does is just bring the lever closer to the bar, or wherever you want it to go. I quite like the brake where it is all the way out. It was the clutch one I was trying to improve. So all I've done is I've brought that all the way in now. So the bite point isn't quite as far away. Obviously all the way out, it's not a massive difference if I'm totally honest with you, but it's better. Listen, I know it's not rocket science for a lot of you, but some people don't know how to do it and some people are scared for tackling it. It's very easy when you do this for a living, but it is simple. You know, this is not something you want to chuck your bike into a garage and pay someone to do it for you. That has took not 5 minutes. It's a really simple job and one you should definitely tackle yourself. I'll put a link in the description for where I got the levers from. I think it's AliExpress. They're not expensive, they were about £16. It's not an affiliate link, I don't get anything from it. There'll be better levers out there than this, but they're fine. You know, they do the job, they do what I wanted them to do and they look quite good. And they're decent quality for cheap stuff. Get some ordered, don't be frightened of it. You can't break it, you can't go wrong. If you found that at all useful, drop us a like, let me know in the comments how you've got on, and why not give us a subscribe? It's free. It's free. I'll catch you in the next one.